Today we're in an LS powered T-top 1979 Pontiac Firebird.
There you go.
This thing's so freaking fast. This is a great car. Tack works. As far as going down the road, the brakes are perfect. Temp gauge works, oil pressure gauge works. Not sure on the speedometer. Gas gauge works, volt gauge works. Heat and defrost, the AC stuff isn't there anymore. Looks like every single thing works on it. Like I said, a horn does not. Got a nice stereo in it. And very sleek black paint. Love the T-tops. Your doors are slightly open.
Yeah, what a cool fun drive car.
I mean, the response is just right there, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Speedometer does not work. What a great car. Disc brakes work good. Just a really cool driver. You know, looks great, fast, fun to drive.
Absolutely. This is a fun car to drive right here. 1979 Pontiac Firebird, T-tops, LS engine under the hood. Sounds good.
It does sound nice. And the factory tack works with this motor, which is kind of cool.
It's very cool.
You know, they did all that wiring swap, factory tack still works. Seems like it's pretty accurate too. Pretty neat swap, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. And they got it painted so it looks stock.
That motor looks nice.
Yeah.
Really runs and drives good. One of my kids, Ryan, drove this around probably for what, a month? Back and forth to school, to practices. I mean, he took the T-tops off and had a lot of fun with it. So it's very reliable.
And that's the responsible one of us kids to be driving something like that.
Yeah, he don't squeal the tires or nothing.
I give him some shit for it, but he won't even squeal the tires. 16-year-old kid.
He takes care of his shit, Dalton.
Yeah. Now, if I had this thing for a month, there wouldn't be much for tires left on the back. I think same
That's
thing
why
with
you're
Brady.
not driving them.
Yeah.
That's why we don't let him drive them, guys. Okay? Yeah. But no, a neat car. So this one's not going to break the bank, but you know, black, straight body, pretty much a rust-free undercarriage. Also, go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Make sure you look at the undercarriage because these Trans Ams rusted out. You know, they're about as bad as the Mustangs. So this one's nice and solid. It's got the awesome Snowflake wheels, beautiful color combination, T-tops, and you know, I don't know if you're a fan or not, but a lot of people like these LS swaps.
Mm-hmm.
Back of the hood fits nice on it. Tires are in great shape. It's a really fast, fun car. Does have a paint imperfection right here, a scratch right here, see it?
Yep.
Top of the package trays kind of got a lot of sun damage to it, but cheap
Looks original.
fix. Yeah. Pretty much all the interior is original, I think. It's got some little tiny stress cracks on that back rubber. Other than that,
Typical with the front and rear bumpers on these Trans Ams.
yeah. So we look up and down the side, super straight, nice rubber on the back. Corner of the door is really pretty nice here. Door jamb paint's nice. Original door panels, original seats, console. Does have a crack on the dash pad, so it needs a little interior work if you want it perfect. But I don't know if I'd do that with this car. I love just the way it is.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
Yeah,
it runs and drives great. It's got a very presentable interior. Door shut nice. Again, driver's side super straight, nice exhaust coming out the back. It's like we bought one, Dale. Wow. That's cool.
Oh yeah.
Guess we'll probably sneak peek. We'll talk about this one next week. 1972 black, 540 horse, 540 foot-pounds of torque, super sport.
Pretty cool right there, yeah.
That's a cool car. Back of the hood, you got to kind of, the other side fits great, but this side you got to push down just a little bit. Corner of the door really isn't bad at all. The original there. Door panels are original, seats good. Tilt wheel. Again, another cool looking driver.
Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube. But thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.